guys, today we're going to be doing a special video since the new Angry Birds movie is coming out. And we're using the Angry Birds McDonald's toys. Here's one of them if I can get it. Here, it's Bomber. I forgot his name. And then we also have Chuck. Although we have 3 pigs and 2 birds, so we're going to be using a ball also. And they're all lined up so you can see them. We got 2 different kinds of sets. So we're gonna start. We are beginning with my turn, and going. Yep, and then you get Chuck. You can fire at. Yours was a miss. So what I'm gonna do. That was a miss too. So what I think we're gonna have to do is get like all of them, or maybe just have this as a super power up. I think that's what we're gonna do. So as a super power up, and that's it for today's video. Well, maybe, because we might be making another set thing, like with all of them combined. So yeah, I think we're gonna do that in this video. So we're really quickly gonna go and just make a whole new set with the ball and the power up. And I'm probably gonna give this guy the bomb power up, because this guy would do a lot of damage if he was like that. So yeah. Okay, and now we got it all made. I'll show you from it. I'll show you it from here. And now we're gonna begin with my turn, just like we always do. I'm just gonna get these centered up. And I got 1 pig down. Now it's my brother's. Here, and almost got it. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the bomb part. And that did no damage. And that. And just to get that back. And I think that's gonna be the end of this video. So bye guys. See you next time.